If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to your Motorola Moto G56, then let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So over here we're gonna go to settings. Now over here we can go to connected devices, and what you can do is, if you have the device saved, if you have connected to your device before, you can go to the settings of the device over here, and you can try to forget the device completely in order to try to pair it again. So we're gonna forget the device, and now we can turn, well, first we're gonna go to pairing your device, and now we can turn it on and put it into the pairing mode, of course. If you cannot put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode, just make sure that they are not connected to another device. If you can find it in available devices, then of course we can tap over here in order to connect, to pair, and there we go. Now, besides that, if you still cannot find the Bluetooth device on the list over here, then you can try to perform the factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Now, unfortunately, there are many different ways to factory reset or hard reset your Bluetooth device. So essentially you want to try to find a guide how to reset your specific earbuds or Bluetooth device in general. And once you do that, you can try to pair again. However, if that doesn't help as well, what you can also do is we're gonna go to connection preferences and open Bluetooth over here. And what you can do is you can simply turn off and turn back on your Bluetooth feature. So sometimes this little thing helps as well. But if that doesn't help as well, there is one more thing that we can do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, and then we're gonna go to system, choose reset options, and over here we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And of course we want to confirm by pressing reset. So as you can see, unfortunately we cannot separate these two things. So if you reset Bluetooth, you will also lose all Wi-Fi connections, or you will forget all Wi-Fi networks on your phone. So you want to reconnect to Wi-Fi as well. But after that, essentially you want to go back to connected devices, and you want to try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And that's pretty much all we can do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.